Hi guys, hello beautiful people, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. Today you guys, as you already know from the title of this video, it's all about the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9. So you guys, let's just get started with the unboxing. I'm not so good with unboxing stuff. Like you guys, I am really terrible when it comes to unboxing. But I'm just going to cut it. I'll just cut it anyhow. So long I open it and so I am loving it. Well. So, see the seal? See the seal right there? I don't know if you guys can really see the seal. Yeah, the autofocus is something else. Let's just leave that. But yeah, here's the seal. It says, Europe SIM card only. Well, I'll just continue unboxing this guy because here we go now. My friend, come out. I already, my goodness. I told you guys, I am not good with unboxing stuff. So when I buy new stuff, I like someone to unbox it or to unpack it for me. Anyways, I know some of you out there, you also do the same like me. I am sure. You can laugh me as much as you want. Laugh me or you laugh at me? Which is correct? Laugh at me. Yeah, laugh at me. Oh my goodness. English, you know, it's not my first language. Like, I have my own mother language and then I have English as my second language. So sometimes it happens. My baby boo. Here comes my baby boo. Ta-da! Yeah, this is it. This is it. So what we have here, here is the charger, like the, and here, this one, what is here is the small, it's a USB connector. It's like a smaller one. This is it. And this one is even a smaller micro USB connector. It's really small, you guys. It's really small. And then something when I have now today, everyone is going in the train, in a bus, everyone has their headphone, earpiece on, so why not? The earpiece, you guys, the earpiece, it's when even holding it, you know, it's quality USB. USB, no, earpiece. I'm so excited. So I don't know, the words are just coming out of my mouth, like my head, I'm thinking about something else, my lips, something else comes out. So now, yeah. So you guys, this is the earpiece. And what next? Yeah, this is, you know what this is. It's just a small something also for the earpiece. And next is just the cord for the USB, just normal cord, you know that. And the next one, what's this here? The user manual, the guide. So what is here? It's this one just to apply the SIM card, just something to open where the SIM card is, just to open it here. This, and that's all. That's all what we have, you guys. That's all. This. Yeah. It's coming. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? You just have to treat yourself right sometimes. Just buy something expensive for yourself. When you're working, when you just pamper yourself sometimes, you know, take care of yourself, have fun, chill. I decided to get this boy not to make me feel good, because I feel good all the time. I just wanted something very good for my pictures, for videos, so I decided to get this guy. So you guys, I'm just going to go through the settings and we'll be right back. So now I am done with all the settings and the guy is ready for use. So You guys, it's very like touching the screen touch is really very fast. Like it's really fast. You can just swipe left, right, up. It's so fast. It's really fast. So now I'm just going to see how the camera works, like how. So here, I don't know if you guys can see that. The picture quality, it's really, I think it's dope. Like it's cool. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Leave your comments down below. Tell me, you guys, what's more, like what other videos would you like to see me do? Like I am boiling. I want to show you guys so much content that I have already created, but definitely I'll be waiting to hear from you guys what you would like to see. Anyways, enough of the talking, you guys. I love you guys. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.